slowly pry here from this corner. These are the flex cables here. I'm just going to take this out. So you can see the battery is of 300 milliampere. Hello viewers, welcome to Audio with 360. Today I have this nice ColorFit Victor smartwatch. So without wasting any time, I'm going to show you how to tear this down. So alright, now I have taken out the watch here. This is brand new watch. I'm going to show you how to tear this down. This is unused. So alright, display section we have to take out. It is pasted, so we have to give some heat here to take this display out, so that we can access the motherboard and battery here. So let me give the heat using hair dryer. You can give, preferably you can use hair dryer. Otherwise, if you have a heat gun like heat blower, you can use, but that is harmful. This hair dryer is much better. So you have to heat here. So it is heated now. Without wasting any time, the heat should not go out. Slowly pry here from this corner. You can see this is taken apart. So this is the basic tear down without damaging the case here. So this is the LCD. These are the flex cables here. I'm just going to take this out. So alright, this is the LCD here. So this is the touch panel with LCD. Alright, now I'm going to show you the battery. So you can see the battery is of 300 milliamperes with 1.14 watt hour WH, and this is 3.8 volts. So 3.8 volts, 300 milliamperes. This is the battery here, and this is the motherboard. And you can see here, this is the speaker. So this is the speaker. So after connecting to the mobile, so you can take the calls from this smartwatch. So this is the speaker. The sound will come from this point, and this is the hole here. You can see. From these holes the sound will come out. Alright, and this is the motherboard here, the main motherboard. I'm not going to tear this down because there is nothing behind this, only the charging connectors. These connectors, minus and plus, will be there, and these are the sensors which can access your pulse rate, that is heart rate, and even this can test your blood oxygen level. Alright, so this is the back view. And to take these straps, you have to just pull this clip like this. Here you can push like this, it will come out like this. Again, if you want to install it, you have to put this in the hole and just hold like this. This is the control. This has the micro switch here. If you press, you can access in the display. So alright, this is the basic tear down video of nice ColorFit Victor smartwatch. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Audio with 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.